The effects of Tropical Cyclone Penny may have passed over most of PNG, but not for some provinces. According to the National Weather Service, the New Guinea Islands region and Milne Bay Province will experience strong winds in the coming weeks. Director of National Weather Service, Samuel Maiha says, Milne Bay will be affected as the cyclone passes on.
I think there are some areas like the Milne Bay and New Guinea Islands where the strength of the winds still warrant the strong wind warning.
Maiha said there has been a reduce of rainfall on the mainland of PNG, but not for the New Guinea Islands. Heavy rainfall may continue.
West New Britain in particular, they are, due to the orographic effect, I think they are experiencing a lot of rain and also flooding.
Maiha said a lot of factors contribute to the changing of weather pattern, and the weather may change in the next couple of weeks. Patricia Chiamo, National Emtv News.